The Ambani bomb scare case has led to a big shake-up in Mumbai Police. The Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh stands to be removed from the post. This is coming in after Mumbai Police link to the bomb plot came to fore. This as the news tightens around Sachin Vaze, who is a suspended Mumbai cop arrested for his alleged role in placing the explosive-laden car outside Antilia on 25th of February. Presently in NIA custody, Vaze was brought to his house in Thane last evening. This is coming in hours after NIA team comprising 8 probe officials reached Vaze's housing society at about 2 p.m. The NIA is now suspecting that Sachin Vaze kept the Scorpio car that was later found carrying explosives at his housing society in Thane. Meanwhile, you've got the BJP who said the matter does not end with the transfer of police commissioner, while accusing Uddhav government of trying to defend Vaze, who is linked to Shiv Sena.
आप ये भी जानते हैं कि बीच में 2008 में सचिन वाजे इन्होंने शिवसेना में प्रवेश किया। कुछ समय तक शिवसेना के प्रवक्ता के रूप में भी उन्होंने काम किया और शिवसेना के साथ बड़े गहरे रिश्ते ये सचिन वाजे के रहे।
मुंबई पुलिस दल की अपनी एक प्रतिष्ठा है, अपनी एक इमेज है, बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल पुलिस मैं कहता हूं मुंबई पुलिस को। और इस प्रकार की जब घटना होती है तो जरूर क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है प्रतिष्ठा के ऊपर, लेकिन अब पूरा कुछ संभल लेने के लिए आज नया पुलिस कमिश्नर मुंबई को मिला है और बहुत ही होनहार और प्रामाणिक अधिकारी है, उनका रिकॉर्ड बहुत ही अच्छा है।
All right, Pankaj Upadhyay is bringing us up to speed for the very latest on this story. Pankaj, this is a baffling case right there. While there was an explosive-laden car outside one of India's richest men right there, this is turning into a bit of a BJP versus Shiv Sena fight with the involvement of Sachin Vaze in the removal of Parambir Singh as well. I'm going to throw straight across to you as to whether there is more to it than meets the eye. What is going on in this case?
So the current battle is being fought on many fronts. First of all, Shiv Sena clearly was on a damage control mode. After days of hectic meetings between the various party leaders and of course the high police officials. And finally, Mumbai has a new top cop. But the Bharatiya Janata Party has found a perfect opportunity to hit out at the Shiv Sena at this point of time, because clearly, and as the fact also remains that at one point of time, now suspended API Sachin Vaze was part of the Shiv Sena as well. And that is why there is a very sharp war of words that is going on between not just the alliance partners of the MVA but also the BJP. And yesterday, former Chief Minister of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis went on to the extent of saying about the case that the manner in which the ATS should have been investigating the case is not so, because he's saying if a person like him can get various evidences related to the case, then perhaps the ATS can go a little more. He has also said that NIA and ATS have got certain tapes as well which has the voice recording of the victim and the orders given by Sachin Vaze. So clearly an indicator that perhaps the story is not over. But even as reports suggesting, NIA claiming that the man behind the PP kit was none other than Sachin Vaze raises a lot of questions. Was this stage managed by Sachin Vaze himself? Did he have the company of other police officials? Because this gets very, very serious then. Already we know how the NIA has questioned several police officials, including many in the crime intelligence unit as well. But as the opposition is also asking, was there the involvement of certain politicians as well? So the story is not over as far as this investigation is concerned and as far as the politics is concerned.
All right. So that's the big story we're tracking at the moment. Thanks, Pankaj, for getting us up to speed with the very latest developments on this particular story. Appreciate you joining us this morning on our broadcast.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.